Existing floor or substrate should be free of any dust, debris and any foreign matter. Ensure the existing floor or substrate is level and flat. Place the floor in the room it is to be installed in and allow 48 hours for material to acclimate. Underlayment is optional and cannot exceed thickness of 1.5 mm. In the first row, remove the tabs that will be facing the wall. Place spacers between the short and long side of the planks and the wall. Continue installing planks left to right and row by row. Measure and cut the planks to fit along doorways and irregular spaces.